Hello everyone, my name is Emmett Walsh. I'm a medical herbalist at Roscoe Clinic. Today we're going to talk about childhood asthma. We'll talk about a few things and the herbal approach to treatment. So the causes of childhood asthma are fundamentally two. I guess you have genetic causes and acquired causes from the environment. So the acquired causes would be as follows generally. Moles, feathers, animals, foods, dust, pollen, cigarette smoke, and colds and flus. The viruses associated with colds and flus can be a trigger to developing asthma in children. Some of the best remedies to use, some of the best simple remedies to use in the response to asthma, honey is number one. So you can use honey alone as a treatment itself, as it helps to move mucus, or you can use honey as a carrier for other herbs. It sweetens the herbs for the little children. Another thing, natural remedy you can use is mixing sesame seed oil with some of the respiratory decongesting either herbs or especially the essential oils. So we're thinking in this regard, we're thinking of Friar's balsam could be considered, camphor essential oil could be considered, and of course eucalyptus. Steam inhalation with herbs or essential oils can also be considered. Other things to ensure that asthma does not develop is, and especially during complications of asthma or during asthma episodes or attacks, is to drink lots of warm water for the child. Have the diet predominantly fruit and vegetables, especially those of a bitter nature. You can give cow's milk to a child if they're drinking milk, but do not give cold milk. Always warmed milk to about 60-65 degrees and add a little pinch of ginger to the milk. Turmeric in any form is an excellent addition to the foods, or used standalone as a medicine. It can be added to honey. Things to avoid are: do not feed the child after 10 o'clock at night. Avoid fried and spicy foods. Stay away from salt and sugary foods. Avoid bananas and custard, yogurt and cheese. Avoid chocolates, dessert, ice cream. Avoid all nuts and avoid all cold, raw and rough foods. It would be beneficial if you could teach the child some of the helpful yoga postures to adopt. They might view it as a form of play, but they can be very helpful. A medical herbalist is trained in the skills of physical examination and being able to use your stethoscope and see how the child's lung is and how the child's lung is responding to the treatment is very, very important. Not alone to measure response to treatment, but also, very importantly, to make a decision or to help or advise in making a decision as to whether a referral is needed.